Okay, here's the fifth question from the second set. There was one a bit like this in set 1, but this is a slightly harder one because equation 1 and equation 2, I need to make either the x's match or the y's match, but this time I can't do it by only dealing with one equation, unless I want to get some horrible fractions in. So what I'm going to have to do is multiply both equations. There are a couple of ways of doing this, okay? I'm going to aim to make the numbers of x match, but you can equally well make the numbers of y match. You can have 15y in both equations. I'm going to make the number of x's match, and with a 4 and a 6, the smallest number that they both go into is 12. So I'm going to get equation 1 to tell me something with a 12x in it, and I'm going to make equation 2 tell me something with a 12x in it. So I need to do equation 1. Well, to get from 4x to 12x, I need to do 3 times equation 1. Okay, so what does that tell me? Well, I've multiplied this by 3 already, plus the 3y multiplied by 3 gives me 9y, and the 11 multiplied by 3 gives me 33. So that's I'll call that equation 3. Okay, and then I'm going to find out how to get 12x from this. Well, 6x, I need to double it. So I need to do 2 times equation 2. That will give me 12x. When I double the 5y, I'm going to get plus 10y equals, and when I double the 18, I'm going to get twice 18, which is 36. Call that equation 4. And now I have to find out, now I need to take away, because 12x is going to eliminate if I take away. I can do this either way round. It's slightly nicer to do equation 4 minus equation 3. So this 12x minus that 12x is nothing. This 10y minus that 9y is plus a y. If I'd subtracted the other way round, I'd have got minus y. Which wouldn't have been a problem, but I think this will work out slightly nicer. So I'm doing equation 4 minus equation 3. So here I have to do 36 minus 33, and that's 3. So y equals 3. But I haven't finished because I need to know what x is. So I'm going to substitute that in equation 1. So 4x plus 3y, so that's 3 times 3, because I now know that y is 3, equals 11. So 4x plus 9 is 11. So 4x equals 11 minus 9 is 2. So x equals, be careful, x equals 2 divided by 4, dividing both sides by 4. So x is a half. No one ever promised you the answers were going to be whole numbers. So the answers are x equals a half and y equals 3. And if you want to, it's not a bad idea actually to double check the second equation, equation 2 up here, check the same values work. Okay, but they do. So that's question 5. Hopefully you've got those answers already.